Let's learn organs. This one is called heart. It goes right here. The next one is, hey, what's going on? Oh no, they are all gone. I know. Nice thread. Ooh, a train. Cylinder. Sphere. Cube. Triangle. Now it's liver. Circle. Now it's bladder. Pentagon. Now it's pancreas. Square. Now it's stomach. They all have their own place inside the body. WowCube time! What do you have for us? Ha! Did you see that? That's some kind of magic. Lungs. Brain. Intestines. All our organs are very important. Take good care of them to stay healthy. Hold on. I need to put everything back. Great job. Bye.